Hello? I know I'm looking hella crazy, but don't worry, because it's all gonna come together. Trust me, the process is not cute, but the end result is kind of cute. So first thing I'm gonna do is completely cover my mouth, and I'm just gonna go in with some cosmetic wedges, my liquid latex, and this is from last year. I'm surprised there's even still any in here. And I'm gonna use paper towel. Usually I'll use toilet paper, but I'm gonna give this ripped open mouthpiece a little more texture. And there's a fly in my room. Get out, stop blocking my blessings. So let's get into it. I just dropped liquid latex on my floor. Son of a bitch. Hey y'all, so I'm just going in with some liquid latex on my cosmetic sponge, and I am just putting that around my mouth area to start us off. And now I'm taking down that paper towel that I ripped up earlier and just stacking that down to the liquid latex. Also going in with some more liquid latex to further stick that down to my skin. And my camera decided to cut off right here. I'm sorry, don't kill me. So as you can see, I did one eye off camera, and I'm just going in with a little bit of foundation to prime my eyes and also to further cover up my eyebrow. And I'm just going in with a reddish orangey eyeshadow and putting that into the crease and blending that up pretty high into my brow bone. And I'm taking this gold cream shadow from e.l.f. and I'm using that to further prime my lid. And I'm just going in with a black eyeshadow and putting that into my inner corner and my outer corner, and also going in with a brown shadow to blend those colors up into the crease. And now for the actual lid color for this halo smoky eye, I'm just going in with a shimmery gold eyeshadow. So I took my foundation off camera and I just used a lighter ashier shade. And now I'm going in with this beige, almost white matte powder, and I'm using that to set down my foundation and make it nice and matte so it won't budge or move when I'm finishing the rest of my makeup. And I'm also blending that powder down my neck as well. Now I'm carefully going on with a pair of tweezers to try to rip open this mouthpiece, and as you guys can see, it was a damn struggle, but yeah, I just kept trying to go in, but eventually I just ended up going in with a pair of my scissors to cut it open, which I do not recommend doing at all. I recommend do not do this at all, because you could really cut yourself if you're not careful. I would just suggest going in with tweezers and taking your time with that. But I've done this quite a few times and I was running out of patience. But yeah, do not do this at all. And also my camera decided to die in this moment. Lord help me, the struggle is real. Y'all, I am so annoyed. I just looked back at the footage I just recorded, and my camera angle was hella off. So this first part, or that first part of the video before this, I apologize. I'm gonna get her together. Well, hopefully she's at the right angle and all the way together right now. So yeah, my bad. So now to shade the inside of the wound, I'm going in with this dark red liquid lip. I would usually use body paint for this, but I did not have body paint on hand. But this ended up working out for me very perfectly because it is a matte liquid lip, so it ended up setting down and not moving anywhere when I was doing what I had to do. And I'm taking this black liquid liner and I'm using that to sketch in my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I wanted to do a hella thin, like a pencil thin line. Kind of like a sperm eyebrow. Sperm eyebrow? Oh, that sounds a little disturbing, but I hope you guys know what I mean. So now I'm taking that same liquid liner and I'm using that to draw in the clown design above my eyebrows and under my eye. Clown designs, I'm not sure off the top of my head what they're actually called, but you guys know what I mean. And you guys could do whatever design you want. I was just freestyling it and this is what I came up with at the moment. And now I'm just taking some black and brown eyeshadows and I'm using that to shade the inside of the wound to make it look a little more deeper and darker. And I'm also taking those shades and shading around the mouth area and around my nose to make it look a little more dirty, and also shading the actual ripped open skin flaps, the ripped skin part of the wound to make it look more bruised and worn and a little more dirtier. And now I'm going in with a matte red liquid lip to draw in the ball on my nose, and I'm just taking that applicator and drawing a red circle on the tip of my nose, and also setting that down with some dark red shadow. And now for blood. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, this is pretty much the final look. Yeah, this is actually what I was last year, but just I couldn't find my my red curly wig anywhere, so I just decided to do this yellow one, and it still kind of goes pretty well, I might say. Wow, I have a lot of blood all over me. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you are excited for this Halloween season, to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, smash that subscribe button, because if you ain't subscribed, then you're missing out on this. You know, I'm showing. Oh my god, it sounds like I have a lisp with this damn thing, restricting a lot of mouth movement right now. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it. So until my next video, I will talk to all of you guys soon. Bye. Happy Halloween season.